Hi everybody, I'm down here in 3rd Avenue and 19th Street and we're going to walk today in Gramercy Park, which is one of the most expensive neighborhoods over here in New York City. So let's check it out. Hola mi gente, hoy vamos a caminar en un barrio que se llama Gramercy Park, que es uno de los barrios más caros aquí en la ciudad de Nueva York. Vamos a chequearlo. And this neighborhood is so exclusive that it has a private park, one of the few private parks over here in New York City. Look how beautiful. Mira qué bonito. Y este barrio es tan privado que tiene un parque privado. Un parque privado nada más que para las personas que viven en la zona. So, hoy vamos a chequear el parque, vamos a caminar alrededor del parque. Que es uno de los pocos parques privados que quedan aquí en la ciudad de Nueva York. Alright, this is Urban Place. Este es la calle de Urban Place. Y allí enfrente está el parque y vamos a caminar alrededor del parque y ver las vistas tan bonitas alrededor del parque. So we're gonna walk around the park and see all the beautiful sceneries over here in Gramercy Park. Alright, this is the private park. Alright, so let's keep walking around the park and check out the view. Oh, and it looks like they're filming a movie around here too, or a TV show. So we might as well check it out too. That's the National Art Club over here in Gramercy Park. So let's check it out. The next block over there is Park Avenue South. Look how beautiful the houses over here, and I guess they're getting ready to film something over here. Mira qué bonito las casas aquí y parece que van a filmar algo aquí. Ok, vamos a ir caminando. Y aquí podemos ver un poco más dentro del parque. So here we could see a little bit more inside the park. All right, so let's keep walking. All right, this is Gramercy Park North, and when we were coming from was Gramercy Park South. All right. And by the way, this is the beginning of Lexington Avenue. Este es el principio de la avenida de Lexington, que sube hasta el Alto Manhattan. So that's Lexington. Let's see if we could get a view of the Chrysler Building. That's the Chrysler Building all the way in 42nd Street. And we're close to 23rd Street over here. All right, so let's check a little bit more of the park. Once again, this is a private park for this neighborhood, one of the few private parks in New York City. All right, so let's keep walking around the park. And like I said, they're getting preparing to make a movie. They're setting up to film a movie around here. Oh, they're shooting Billions, the Showtime show. Están filmando Billion, el show de Showtime, que se llama Billion. Es lo que están filmando aquí alrededor. And you could check on my channel, like I have a video of the shooting of Billions in the Lower East Side. Y pueden chequear en mi canal de YouTube que yo tengo un video de cuando estaban filmando Billions en el en el barrio del Bajo Este. So this is a view over here from Gramercy Park. Esta es una vista desde aquí, desde Gramercy Park. Vamos a seguir caminando. Let's check the architecture over here. Vamos a chequear la arquitectura aquí en este building. Tan bonito. So over here you got beautiful architecture. So this building is between 20 and 21st Street over here in Gramercy Park. All right, beautiful. That's a view of the park over there. Ahí tenemos una vista del parque enfrente. Let's check out another piece of architecture. Aquí podemos ver otra arquitectura bonita del pasado. All right, let's keep walking. Let's see if I could get a shot from across the street. And that's a Jewish temple over here. The Brotherhood Jewish Temple. There you could see the beautiful architecture of this building. Ahí pueden ver la arquitectura tan bonita de ese edificio. Alright, so let's keep walking. And that's like Gramercy Park, the park across the street. This is more architecture over here. Más arquitectura bonita del pasado aquí en Gramercy Park. Alright, so remember, if you like my videos, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Acuérdense, si les gustan mis videos, dame un like, compartan y suscríbanse a mi canal. Gracias. All right, this is where we started. Aquí fue donde empezamos. Para enseñarle alrededor del parque. All right. All right. Until next time. Hasta la próxima. A la próxima fois. Au revoir.